How to create a Google business profile. Step-by-step guide for 2025 and 2026. First, go to Chrome browser and search for Google business profile. Then click in this website. Then in the corner you can see a Start Now button. Click here. Now it's time to set up your business profile, which you can start by entering your business name and business category. First, type your business name and Google will display a list of existing businesses in its database. If your business appears on the list, skip to the next video to learn how to claim your business. If it doesn't, continue typing your full business name, ABC Electrician Dhaka. Don't add keyword to your business name, as Google may suspend your account. You will add relevant keyword in your business description later. Next, start typing your business category and choose one from the list. My business category is electrician. Your business category tells Google what kind of business you have, making it more searchable. You can change your business category or add more categories later. Add your location. If your business has a physical address, some business requires location, like restaurant, dentist and lawyers. If you choose the circle next to yes, Google will ask for your address. Searcher can see your address on Google Maps, so ensure it is accurate. My business category is electrician, so I don't have any physical store or office, so my option will be no. Then next, choose your service area. If you don't add a business address, you must complete this step. Choose an area from Google suggestion or typing name of the area you serve. I serve Dhaka and Chattogram and Rajshahi. So note, this is a demo business details, so complete all information according to your business. Add your contact information. Enter your phone number or website URL. You have to add at least one. If you want, you can add both. Ensure that your contact information is accurate, as searcher will use it to find and contact you. Then you have to add your business location. This location is visible in Google. My street address is Mall Road and the city is Dhaka. The postal code is 1216. Then click next. So I didn't add my phone number because this is a dummy business. If I add my phone number, after that Google will send a verification code through call or SMS. After getting the call, if I submit, then the business will be verified. You have to remember, verification methods are automatically determined by Google and can be changed. We will discuss more on the next video how to verify the business and about the verification methods. I will click verify later because I don't want to verify my business. After verify your listing, Google will ask you to add more information about your business. You can add specific service you offer, set your hours, enable messaging and more. Fill in such as much information as possible. Details like operating hours, business photos help potential customer find and reach you. We'll skip these steps for now because I will make a separate video for all options. Specific service you offer. I don't serve any specific service. Based on your selected business category, you can specify the service you provide. For now, skip the process. We can add it later. Operating days and hours. We can add business operating days and hours. Select all the day of this week when your store is open. For each day you mark as open or close. Set the corresponding opening and closing time. We skip for now. Google provides you 750 characters to briefly describe your business. Skip if we discuss all steps, the video will be long, so I will make a separate video for it. Add photos of your business to show customer your space and the product you sell. We'll cover additional tips on Google business profile images later. Now I will skip the process. Skip. Here you can see a message. Your edits will be visible once you are verified, because I didn't verify my phone number or business. Because this is a dummy business, I make this video for teaching you. Continue. If you add your phone number or website URL and then you verified your business, so your business will be visible to customer and your business will be verified in 3 to 5 days. Because I didn't verify my business, so the message is here.